Hey SHIB Army, what's going on guys? Welcome back. I hope you guys are having a great day. Today I got your latest update on Shiba Inu guys. Going to talk to you about all the latest information. Take a look at the global crypto market. Take a look at the price. We have a few interesting things to go over today, so let's get into it. But first, please consider subscribing and turning on those post notifications. And if you like free money, you want 2 free stocks, sign up for WEBULL with my link in the description below and you can get 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300. So the global crypto market is currently down about 2.5%, coming in at $1.5 trillion. However, just a few hours ago in the morning, we were actually up about 3%. So as you can see, for the most part, everything is in the red, and that includes Shiba Inu guys. The last couple days with Shiba Inu, we've been in the green as well as the entire crypto market. So things were looking great. However, that we're only down about 2-3%. It's not too bad. It's nothing to really worry about. I wouldn't concern yourself. I wouldn't start selling. Shiba Inu is still the third most viewed cryptocurrency on coinmarketcap.com, which means there's still a huge amount of interest in this. So Shiba Inu is currently sitting at 7056. We got those 5 zeros followed by the 7056. Volume has come down about 34%, weighing in at 445 million, with the market cap down not even 1%, so 0.2%, coming in at 2.7 billion. Now, obviously, this makes sense because the entire crypto market is down, and when the entire crypto market is down, Shiba Inu will follow suit and be in the red as well. Realistically, on a day like today, or when the entire market is down in the red, the only thing that could possibly get us in the green would be the release of Shiba Swap. Holders have increased slightly since my last video, since yesterday's video, at 492,000 holders and growing strong. Now, everyone is anxiously anticipating the release of Shiba Swap. All investors, people in general, and I think this is why the price is coming down a bit. Now, obviously, the entire crypto market is down and we're going to go that way. However, a lot of people are still thinking this is a scam. It's not actually a real product. Nothing is going to be released. They're just playing with us. They're just having all of us put our money into it. I don't believe that one bit. As you know, 𝗙𝗘𝗘 is currently auditing the Shiba Swap. Now, 𝗙𝗘𝗘 is a huge company and they have announced recently that audits do take time, and that was in response to a lot of people that were messaging 𝗙𝗘𝗘 asking about Shiba Inu, wondering if it's a scam. Are they really working on it? So we do know that they actually are. As well, you got to remember that they are listed on Binance, which is the world's #1 cryptocurrency exchange platform. The #1 most trusted, right? Everybody knows Binance. So I don't think Binance would pick up a scam coin. Now, obviously it's 2021 and we've seen worse things happen, so it is potentially possible. However, I just don't believe it. And I've said all along that I believe in Shiba Swap. I believe in the Shiba Inu community, the SHIB army. And I believe great things are coming, especially with El Salvador making Bitcoin a legal tender, and it is the law there once it's fully active, which they stated about 90 days from yesterday's release, that every business will have to accept Bitcoin. As you got to let that settle in for a second. That is incredible. Now, obviously Bitcoin is not Shiba Inu and we want Shiba Inu to be the currency of choice. However, Bitcoin has been the original from day one. But if good things happen with Bitcoin and more countries follow suit, then more and more countries may start to look into other currencies, other cryptocurrencies, and Shiba Inu could be one of those ones that they pick up. But you really got to let that sink in as Bitcoin being legal tender, because if you think about it, the only other legal tender in all of the world is just paper money, like fiat money, cash money, right? Not every store accepts Visa. Not every store accepts Interac. Not every store or business accepts a personal check or American Express. But the one only true form of payment that every country, every business accepts is cash, right? So now in El Salvador, they have 2. That's Bitcoin. So that is pretty insane. And if you're a big follower of cryptocurrency in general, you'll know that there's other countries that are adopting other currencies such as SafeMoon in Gambia. So it's really quite possible that Shiba Inu could be a currency of choice for a country out there. And as more and more petitions are popping up to have Shiba Inu listed on their brokerage, on their platforms such as Robinhood, WEBULL, CoinDesk, it's only a matter of time before one of these companies decides to pick up Shiba Inu and be the first, like the leader of the pack. And Shiba Inu constantly being in the top 3 spot, definitely within the top 5 spot of being the most viewed cryptocurrencies on coinmarketcap.com, definitely helps us out because all these companies are interested in these cryptocurrencies that are very, very popular. So they know that they're going to be generating a lot of business through them, right? That's what we saw with Binance. Binance has always come out and said, we don't pick the cryptocurrencies we list, we let our users decide. And what I really start to see on the charts now are a lot of these big institutions, big whales, are buying into Shiba Inu, then they start to create FUD, stir up the FUD a bit, scare people doing these tactics, have people panic sell. And then when the price dumps, these huge whales, these institutions just buy them on the very low and rinse and repeat and keep doing this to people. And that's why you don't see the price moving so much. You know, we've been in the 7 range for a while. We go to the 8s. We eventually hit the 9s. Occasionally we drop that 0. We have done it a few times. And then we kind of trace back down going into the 9s, 8s, 7s. And that's where we are right now. So you can see this on the charts, guys. It's all market manipulation. And you'll see it in the comments, not just my videos, but any other creator out there. Check out other YouTubers and you'll see all in the comments. You have all these people saying it's a scam, it's going nowhere. But why are they watching the videos? Why are they going to these videos just to put negative comments, right? They're doing that to scare you, to create FUD, to give you that fear, that uncertainty. Because majority, like 98, 99% of the comments are going to be positive, right? Shiba Army, let's go. All these positive people saying, I just bought 10 million, 10 billion on the dip. And then you have these few people that are saying it's a scam, the price keeps going down. Now, oftentimes when these people write the price keeps going down, it's on green days. If you go through some of my videos, you'll see that I show you the prices, we're in the green, 5%, 10%, 15%, and then people are saying, hey, the price keeps going down when you post a video. No, the price is up. You didn't watch the video because you're just here to spread the FUD. I think the best thing for people to do out there, obviously not financial advice, is just decide what do you want to do long term. Are you a true investor? Do you have what it takes to hold on to Shiba Inu for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years? As we've seen with Bitcoin, Dogecoin, these take years to get to where they are. Even Dogecoin still took years, right? Dogecoin has been around for about 8 years. It began in 2013. So how many people are actually still holding from 2013, 2014, right? Probably not too many. If you're looking for very quick money, you know, a coin to go up hundreds or 1,000% in a day or two, you got to check out coinmarketcap.com and you can take a look at all those crazy coins that have really strange names, and you'll see on the daily they're up 400, 500%. But then days later or a week later, they're nowhere to be found. Nobody really talks about those. Maybe because people aren't investing or people realize that those are the true scams out there. One of the issues with cryptocurrency is because it runs 24/7, it gives us the opportunity to constantly look at the charts, right? There's no close. With the stock market, it's Monday to Friday. So once it's Friday at 4 o'clock, there's no real reason to look at the charts. So as we mentioned in the other video, if you are a holder, if you are a true investor, decide what you're going to do with your Shiba Inu when the Shiba swap drops. And I truly believe that the majority or a huge portion of the investors or people who have bought into Shiba Inu are fairly new into it, because looking back through my videos, one of my first videos on Shiba Inu was from early May, so just about a month ago. And at that time, there weren't a lot of creators that were creating. I mean, there were plenty, of course, because YouTube is very saturated, but it wasn't the way it is today where there's like literally hundreds of videos coming out every hour, creators that have, you know, 2 or 3 multiple channels. And the interest wasn't as high. So guys, let me know down in the comments down below, when did you first purchase Shiba Inu? Like, how long have you been invested? Was it in May? Did you buy into April? Now, I gotta admit that I was watching Shiba Inu for a couple months prior to actually investing into them. So I invested right around the time of making my first video, so right around end of April, early May. And I remember producing my video and then checking out other creators, and not many videos were actually out there. Like, there was no real hype. And then I kind of thought that no one was interested in Shiba Inu. I thought, oh, maybe this is like a one-time video. But quickly, very quickly, the interest grew. So do what's in your best interest. Either get out of the position and move into something that's more profitable or more reliable or better for your needs. Otherwise, stick with it, hold strong, stop looking at the charts every 10 minutes, and just wait for Shiba Swap to be released. I still believe a lot of people are going to exit their positions, especially with the crypto market being in the red. A lot of people getting that FUD, only to buy back in once Shiba Swap is released and buy back at a much higher price. Alright guys, that's all I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it brought you some clarity, some more confidence in Shiba Inu, the project, the community, the SHIB army. As always, please consider subscribing, turning on those post notifications. It would mean a great deal for me. Thank you so much. As well, if you like free money, free stocks, you can sign up for WEBULL with my link in the description below, and you can get up to 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300. Or you can just sign up and you'll get a free stock valued up to $300. It's free money, guys. You can then sell the stock if you don't want it and use that money for whatever you want to do. Go out to dinner, buy new shoes, buy more Shiba Inu, anything. As always guys, happy trading, happy investing, and I'll see you in the next video.